Good morning, welcome to day 3 of Morning Yoga Challenge. We will start our practice standing today. Separate your feet around hip distance apart. Ground down through the feet, stand up nice and tall. Take a big breath in through the nose and out through the nose. With your next inhale, reach your arms up to the sky, look up. Exhale, release your arms down, drop your chin down. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up. Exhale, release, chin down. One more inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Interlace fingers in front of you, palms facing away. Inhale, lift your arms up, press your palms up to the ceiling. Exhale, side bend to the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the left. Come back to center, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, side bend. Inhale in center. Exhale to the other side. One more round on your own. Come back to center and release your arms down. Roll your shoulders back, interlace fingers behind your back. Gently pull your hands away from you, stretching the shoulders and chest. Take one more big full breath. And release your hands. Shake your arms and shoulders out. Bend the knees, place your hands on the shins or on the thighs as you walk your feet on spot. Just bend and straighten your legs a few times. Warming up the back of the legs. Then bend your knees a bit more for ragdoll position. Hold the opposite elbows. Relax your upper body, shoulders, head and neck. And sway your upper body side to side, back and forth. Shift your weight from one foot to another. Maybe shake your head. Release your fingertips down and walk them over to the left as you push your hips slightly to the right. Try to feel a bit more stretch on the right hip, right side of the body. Bring your hands over to the right and push your hips slightly to the left. Stretching the other side. Walk your hands back to center and lower your knees down into tabletop. Cat and cow. Inhale, arch in the back, look up. Exhale, round the back, look to your navel. Move with your breath. Come back to neutral position. Take your right foot out to the side. Straighten your left leg. Left foot in line with your right knee. Reach your left arm up and over the head for a big side stretch. You can always come up to your fingertips on your right hand if you need a bit more space for your shoulder, or keep your palm down. Come back to tabletop and switch to the other side. Right leg straight, right arm reaches up and over the head. One more inhale. Exhale back to tabletop position. Lift your hips up into downward facing dog. Walk your feet out a few times. And come to stillness. Keep pressing down through your hands, lifting your hips up and back. From downward dog, step your left foot forward between your hands, lower your right knee down for low lunge. Left knee bent above the ankle. Reach your arms up to the sky. One more inhale, lift your chest a bit higher. Exhale, release your right hand down to the mat. With inhale, lift your left arm up for a twist. And exhale, bring it down. Step back to downward facing dog. Bring your right foot forward into low lunge. Gently push your hips down as you lift your chest and arms up. One more big inhale. Exhale, release your left hand down. Inhale, right arm up for a twist. Exhale, hand down to the mat. And make your way to downward facing dog. Stay here, lift your hips high. Knees stay bent as much as needed. With time, try to straighten them, increasing the stretch on the back of the legs. And if the legs are straight, gently push the heels down to the mat. Release your knees down to the mat and walk your hands forward into puppy pose. Hips stay above the knees. Try to lower your forehead down and sink your chest down to the mat with each breath. If this pose feels easy and you want a bit more intensity, you can bend your arms and bring your palms together behind your head. This variation gives a little more stretch to the shoulders. Slowly make your way out of this puppy pose and find child's pose. Sit to your heels, relax your forehead to the mat. And take another moment to notice how you feel here. Maybe you can feel like there is a bit more space in some parts of the body. Walk your hands back, come into seated position. And for one more breath together, inhale, reach arms up. Exhale, bring your palms to your heart. Thank you for practicing with me today. I wish you a great day and see you tomorrow for day 4. Bye!